Well, back to today's video. It's a 5-day forecast today. We're going to have a detailed look at the weather for the next 5 days across the UK. Very interesting period coming up. We've got a cool, wet day today, but we're going to see the temperatures really picking up as we go through to Friday and Saturday. We're going to have our first Spanish plume of the summer, which means hot air is going to push up out of Spain through France into the British Isles. At the same time, we'll have instability, and that's a perfect recipe for thunderstorms. And I think we'll see some big thunderstorms potentially on Saturday afternoon. Before I get on with the 5-day forecast, so just want to make sure you advertise the best video ads on my pages at GazWebBiz.com, and if you press play and watch the video ad, see what it's all about, you'll be supporting GazWebBiz.com. Thanks very much for doing that. So we've got radar pitch here from the weatheroutlook.com. We'll have some charts from Weather Outlook as well later on in the video. You can find the link to the Weather Outlook on my links page. A lot of rain across the country today, really stretched out from southwest England, South Wales through rest of England and Wales and up in towards, well, just getting up in towards southern parts of Scotland now. And it's been a dry morning, but I think that rain will push further northwards and eastwards into Scotland through the course of this afternoon and into this evening. It's all being brought about by an area of low pressure. It is today's synoptic pressure chart. There's the low pressure that's bringing that troublemaker. So we're going to find heavy rain really spreading north across many parts of the country through the course of the rest of today. It won't be continuously pouring with rain. It'll be sort of on and off type rain, but when it's on, you will know about it because there'll be some heavy bursts mixed in. It's going to be a cool day as well today, and the worst of the rain, the temperature's not getting much above around 12 degrees. That's just 54 Fahrenheit. Very, very cool under the worst of the heavy bursts of rain. Otherwise, we're going to be seeing temperatures getting up to around 15 or 16. Nothing to write home about, below where we should be at this time of the year. Pretty grim and unpleasant day, it has to be said. As we go through to tonight, that low pressure will continue further northwards and eastwards, taking the rain with it. So I think we'll find the rain coming increasingly confined to Scotland and eastern counties through the course of the night, and by the end of the night probably restricted to the eastern coast. Many other areas becoming clear and dry. Quite chilly tonight actually, with temperatures probably not low enough for ground frost, but down to around 3, 4, 5 degrees, quite wide. It will be quite a cold night for early June. And the central part's fine. If you're watching this in Ireland, do cover up your delicates tonight, because yeah, we could see temperatures in central Ireland going down, say, to around -1 or -2, so a very cold night out in Ireland tonight. Very cold for the time of year anyway, and that is enough to do damage. As we go through to Thursday, well, the low pressure is beginning to develop out to west of Ireland. This is what's going to start to push up that very warm air from the south. Really, it's a case of low pressure from today clearing away to the east, and then we're in a bit of a cold, not much going on. But what it essentially means in terms of the weather is that we could still have some showery rain across eastern Scotland and northeastern England on Thursday morning. That will clear away. Still a few showers left down those eastern coasts, but many places are going to be dry on Thursday. Much drier, brighter and warmer day, with temperatures up to around 18 or 19 degrees. That's about where we should be at this time of year. Now, as we go through to Friday, this is when things are starting to get interesting. We've got high pressure building to the east across the continent. We've got low pressure deepening as a trough out in the Atlantic. In between the two, we're starting to suck up very warm southerly winds with hot air coming out of Spain, as I said at the start of the video, pushing through France and beginning to move northwards. So you're going to have a few showers with that trough of low pressure across southwest England, maybe some more persistent rain across Ireland. The rest of the country probably dry on Friday with sunny spells. You're going to notice the temperatures picking up as well, probably up to around 23 on Friday afternoon. That's 73 Fahrenheit. You'll be feeling increasingly sort of close and humid. And then things get really interesting as we move through into Saturday, because we're going to find, well, the hot air is pushing up from the south as this high pressure is building to the east and the northeast. The low pressure here is going to be pushing a trough through the country. That gives the instability, and the hot air, of course, is the trigger to produce some big showers. So I think we will have showers from the word go across parts of Ireland, England and Wales. It'll probably stay mainly dry dry across Scotland and North Eastern England. But for England and Wales, I think we're going to find things turning increasingly thundery through the course of Saturday. Could be some big thunderstorms getting going on Saturday afternoon. Torrential rain is certainly possible. Flash flooding, of course, as you always expect with thunderstorms. Some very intense lightning is also possible, and some big hailstones perhaps could be thrown in as well. Just show you the upper air temperatures for Saturday. If the chart will click over, these websites are running rather slow today, but there's the upper air temperatures for Saturday. Yep, got some very high upper air temperatures there, but 15 Celsius. I'm getting very close to southeastern parts of England, so that's proper sort of very warm, if not hot air. Look at the convective potential on Saturday afternoon across England and Wales in most orange colour. So any showers that do develop have a high risk of convection. That means lightning and thunder certainly possible, and there's the precipitation for Saturday afternoon as well, particularly for Ireland, England and Wales. It's mainly dry up to the northeast. You're going to find temperatures in the east, perhaps getting up to around 26, maybe 27 degrees on Saturday afternoon. That's around 81 Fahrenheit. But of course, when we've got the showers, the temperatures will lower off. But it's going to be a humid day, very warm and humid through the course of Saturday. As we move through into Sunday, we're going to find that things will be calming down. The storms will shift northwards and eastwards through Saturday night, eventually affecting Scotland. They'll clear out of the way Sunday morning, and then Sunday should be mainly dry actually, with a few showers scattered about, but a lot of fine weather. It'll be a cooler and fresher day. Still pretty warm really for the time of year. Temperatures above average at around 21, that's 70 Fahrenheit, but it'll certainly feel cooler and fresher compared to the humidity of Sunday. And then as we move through into Monday, a bit of a complicated picture. We could bring some warmer air back up into the southeast again with risk of more thunderstorms, but I think otherwise it's going to be a showery day, and some of those showers could be heavy and thundery. Temperatures maybe ticking up a little bit again, like around 22, so quite a warm period coming up actually once we get today's cool temperatures out of the way. Finally, having a look at the charts from the Weather Outlook. When the website clicks over, there it goes. There's the rain across many parts of the country today. Will turn more showery through the course of the afternoon across England and Wales. There could be one or two bright about the country, but a lot of rain around today. A bit of a write-off, and those temperatures are pretty cool as well. Much better day for tomorrow. Still some showers left in the east, but otherwise a lot of dry weather with sunny spells coming through. Plenty of dry weather as we move through into Friday. In terms of dry weather, Friday could be the best of it. Actually, temperatures are picking up. Perhaps getting up to 23 degrees, 73 Fahrenheit. Could be showers in the west and the southwest later. And then, of course, as we go through into Saturday, we're going to find the risk of those thunderstorms breaking out, particularly on Saturday afternoon. Many of these showers that are indicated here across England and Wales could be thundery. Big thunderstorms, lightning, hail thrown in as well. Temperatures up to 27 in the southeast, that's 81 Fahrenheit, and it will feel very warm and humid. Fresher feel for Sunday, showers restricted to the west and a lot of dry weather. Temperature's still pretty good, but it will be fresher, cooler day. And then as we move through into Monday, a bit of a complicated picture, but I think really we're looking at showers coming in from the west, possibly a reload of the heat down in the southeast, which could trigger a few more thunderstorms down there. So in summary, you've got a really interesting 5-day forecast period coming up. It's cool and wet today, then we're going to see things drying out for Thursday. It starts to warm up on Friday. Saturday is the peak of the warmth when we have thunderstorms breaking out across many parts of the country, a real thundery breakdown on Saturday, and then Sunday and Monday it's a bit cooler and fresher with showers in the west. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.